Excuse me. Hi. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, no problem. How can I help you?
I think I'm a little lost. I'm trying to find the city museum.
The City Museum? Ah, yes. It's not far from here.
Oh, really? That's great. Am I walking the right way?
Let me see. No, actually, you need to go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic light.
2 blocks, then left. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's right next to the big fountain. You can't miss it.
Perfect. I've never been here before, so I'm a bit confused.
Are you visiting the city?
Yes, it's my first time here. I arrived this morning.
Oh, wow. Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I'm from here, born and raised. You'll love this city. It's small but very beautiful.
It already looks nice. I like how quiet it is.
Yes, especially in the afternoon. In the evening, it gets a bit busier near the park.
Oh, is there a park nearby?
Yes, Greenfield Park. It's about 10 minutes from here. You can walk there after the museum.
That sounds wonderful. I love walking in parks.
There's also a little cafe inside the park. They have the best hot chocolate.
That sounds perfect. I'll go there for sure.
You should. By the way, do you have a city map?
Yes, but I'm not very good at reading it.
That's okay. Most people use their phone now. Do you have Google Maps?
Yes, but my internet is not working very well.
Ah, I see. There's free Wi-Fi at the museum and also in the park.
Oh, really? That's good to know.
Yeah, just look for the sign that says City Wi-Fi.
Great. I'll try that. Oh, and one more thing. Is there a place nearby where I can buy some water? I'm a bit thirsty.
Sure. See that small shop over there? They sell drinks and snacks.
Oh, yes, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome. They also have sandwiches if you're hungry.
Good idea. I skipped lunch.
Then you should try their tuna sandwich. It's delicious.
I will. You're so kind.
No worries. I like helping visitors.
That's so nice of you. Do you work nearby?
Yes, I work in a bookstore around the corner.
A bookstore. Oh, I love books.
Then you should come by sometime. We have English books for learners too.
That's perfect. I'm trying to practice my English.
You're doing great, honestly. Your English is really clear.
Thank you. I get nervous sometimes.
Don't be. You're speaking very well.
Thanks. That means a lot.
Anytime. So just remember, go straight for 2 blocks, turn left, and you'll see the museum on your right.
Got it. 2 blocks left at the light. Museum near the fountain.
Exactly.
You explained it perfectly.
I'm glad I could help. Enjoy your visit and don't forget the hot chocolate at the park.
I won't. Thank you so much, Sophie.
You're very welcome, Anna. Have a lovely day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
At the hotel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Blue Star Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Mia Lopez.
Let me check. Yes, Miss Lopez. 1 single room for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Is this your first time staying with us?
Yes, it is. I just arrived from Paris and I'm a little tired.
Oh, I understand. The flight must have been long.
Yes, almost 9 hours. I just want to rest for a bit.
Of course. Your room is ready. You're in room 204 on the 2nd floor.
Great. Does it have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. The password is written on the key card holder.
Perfect. And is there air conditioning in the room?
Yes, and also a small fridge. You'll find 2 free bottles of water inside.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Breakfast is included in your stay. It's from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room on the ground floor.
What kind of breakfast do you serve?
We have toast, eggs, fruit, coffee, and sometimes pancakes.
Pancakes? That sounds delicious.
Yes, they're very popular with our guests.
I'll definitely try them. Oh, and is there a restaurant nearby for dinner?
Yes, there's a great Italian restaurant just across the street. It's open until 10:30 p.m.
Perfect. I love Italian food.
You'll love this one. The pasta there is amazing.
I can't wait to try it.
Would you like me to make a dinner reservation for you?
Oh, that would be nice. Thank you. Maybe for 7:30?
Sure. I'll call them right now.
You're very kind, Grace.
It's my pleasure. We like to make our guests feel at home.
You're doing a great job. This lobby is beautiful, by the way.
Thank you. We just redecorated last month.
I love the flowers. They smell so fresh.
Yes, we get new flowers every morning from the local market.
That's such a lovely detail. Oh, one more question. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at noon, but if you need a late checkout, just let us know.
Great. Thank you. And do you have a taxi service?
Yes, we can call a taxi for you anytime. Just tell us about 15 minutes before you need it.
Wonderful. I might need one on Thursday morning.
I'll note that for you.
You're so organized.
Thank you. Here's your key card. The elevator is just to your right.
Got it. Thank you for all your help, Grace.
You're very welcome, Miss Lopez. I hope you have a relaxing stay.
I'm sure I will. Oh, one last thing. Do you have room service?
Yes, until 10 p.m. There's a menu in your room.
Perfect. Maybe I'll order something light tonight.
Great idea. We have a nice vegetable soup. It's very popular.
That sounds perfect after a long flight.
I agree. All right. Enjoy your evening and let me know if you need anything at all.
Thank you, Grace. You've been so kind.
My pleasure. Welcome to the Blue Star Hotel, Miss Lopez.
Thank you. See you later.
See you later. Enjoy your rest.
At the train station. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to buy a ticket to Brighton, please.
Sure. For today.
Yes, for this morning, if possible.
Let me check. The next train leaves at 10:15 a.m.
Oh, that's perfect. How long does the trip take?
About 1 hour and 20 minutes.
That's not too bad. How much is the ticket?
A one-way ticket is £15. A return ticket is $24.
I think I'll take a return ticket. I'm coming back tonight.
Great. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please. I like to see the view.
Good choice. The view is beautiful along the coast.
Oh, really? That sounds lovely. I can't wait to see it.
Here you go. Your train leaves from platform 3.
Platform 3. Got it. Thank you. Is it far from here?
No, it's just down the hall and to the left. You'll see a big sign.
Great. And is there a cafe near the platform? I'd love a coffee before the train.
Yes, there's a small cafe right next to platform 3. They have good sandwiches too.
Perfect. I skipped breakfast, so that's good to know.
You'll need some energy for the trip.
Definitely. Oh, can I pay with a card?
Of course. Just tap your card here.
Done. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's your ticket and your receipt.
Thank you so much. What time should I be at the platform?
I'd go about 10 minutes before departure, around 10:05.
Perfect. And one last question. Can I bring my small suitcase on the train?
Yes, absolutely. There's space for luggage above the seats or at the end of the carriage.
Great. That makes it easy.
Do you need help finding your carriage number?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you for being so helpful, Daniel.
My pleasure, Emily. Have a wonderful trip to Brighton.
Thank you. I'm excited. It's my first time there.
You'll love it. The sea view is amazing.
I'll take lots of photos.
Enjoy the ride, and don't miss the cafe's blueberry muffins before you go.
I won't. Thanks again. Bye.
Goodbye, and have a great journey.
First day at work. Hi there. You must be new here.
Yes. Hi. I'm Sarah. It's my first day.
Welcome, Sarah. I'm James. I work in the marketing department.
Nice to meet you, James. I'm joining the customer service team.
Oh, great. That's right next to our office. You'll love the people there. They're really friendly.
That's good to hear. I was a little nervous this morning.
Everyone feels that way on the first day. Don't worry. You'll be fine.
Thanks. The office looks nice and bright.
Yeah, we try to keep it positive here. Have you met your manager yet?
Not yet. I think her name is Lisa?
Yes, Lisa Green. She's really nice. She loves helping new people. Her office is just down the hall, next to the kitchen.
Great. I'll go meet her soon. Oh, speaking of the kitchen, is there coffee?
Of course. Free coffee and tea all day.
That's amazing. I can't start my day without coffee.
Same here. The kitchen is on the left. You'll see a big red sign that says break room.
Got it. Oh, and where are the restrooms?
Just behind the elevators, on the right side.
Perfect. Thanks for telling me.
No problem. Have you already met anyone from your team?
Not yet. I think they start a bit later.
Yeah, most people arrive around 9. We usually have a short team meeting at 9:30.
Okay, good to know. Do you usually eat lunch here or go out?
It depends. Some days we eat in the cafeteria. Other days we go to a small cafe across the street.
Oh, nice. What's the cafe called?
The Corner Bite. They have great sandwiches.
That sounds good. Maybe I'll join you for lunch.
Definitely. We'd love that. We usually go around 1 o'clock.
Perfect. Thank you. I already feel a bit more comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that. You'll see, the first day is always full of new faces and new names, but soon you'll know everyone.
I hope so. I really want to do well here.
You will. Just be yourself, ask questions, and don't stress too much.
Thanks, James. That's really kind of you.
Anytime. Oh, before I forget, you'll need your ID badge. The HR office is just next to reception.
Oh, right. Thank you for reminding me. I almost forgot.
Happens to everyone on the first day.
True. Okay, I'll go get my badge and then meet Lisa.
Sounds like a plan. Welcome again, Sarah, and good luck on your first day.
Thank you, James. See you later.
See you at lunch. In the supermarket.
Excuse me. Hi. Could you please help me for a second?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the rice. Do you know where it is?
Let's see. I think it's in aisle number 5, next to the pasta and beans.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. I've been walking around for 10 minutes.
Yeah, this supermarket is a bit big. I got lost the first time too.
Good to know I'm not the only one.
Not at all. Are you new in town?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome. It's a nice area. Everything you need is close. Shops, cafes, even a park.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I haven't explored much yet.
You'll love it. So, what are you cooking today?
Rice with vegetables. Something simple.
That's my favorite kind of dinner. Easy and healthy.
Exactly. Do you usually cook?
Sometimes. I like making pasta on weekends. It's my specialty.
Really? What kind of pasta?
Spaghetti with tomato sauce. Very basic, but tasty.
Nice. Maybe I'll try that next time. Oh, by the way, do you know where the milk is?
Yes, it's in the back near the yogurt section.
Great. Thank you. I also need some eggs and bread.
The bread is fresh today. They just baked it this morning. You can smell it.
Oh, wow. Yes. That smells amazing.
Right? I always buy the brown bread. It's really good for sandwiches.
I'll try that one. And eggs?
Just next to the cheese.
Perfect. You know this place very well.
I come here every Saturday. It's my little routine.
That's nice. Maybe I'll start doing the same.
You should. Saturday mornings are quiet, and the fruits are always fresh.
Speaking of fruits, do you think these apples look good?
They look fine, but check the ones in the back. They're usually fresher.
Oh, thank you for the tip. I pick some apples.
You're welcome. Anything else on your list?
Maybe some juice. Where can I find it?
Juices are near the dairy section, just before the exit.
Got it. You've been so helpful. Thank you.
No problem at all. I like helping new neighbors.
That's very kind of you. Maybe I'll see you here again next Saturday.
I'm sure you will. I'm always here buying too many snacks.
Me too. Well, thank you again, Leo.
You're welcome, Emma. Enjoy your shopping.
You too. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.